I think something that I'm good at is listening to people, and often with indigent individuals, people who are living in abject poverty, they just want someone to listen to them and guide them if they can, but they want to be heard and they want to be validated. And I think that's something that I understand about working with the poor, is that they're people just like you and I, and really they're just looking for solutions, and they often fall through the cracks and they're not sure where to turn. And so when someone in a suit or someone who is a lawyer is willing to listen to them and in a non-judgmental way, then I think that provides them with a sense of pride, and they feel validated and they're ready to take on their problem. I was with the public defender system for 3 years, so I represented indigent clients and individuals charged with anywhere from misdemeanors to serious felonies, and I represented them from start to finish of the criminal process. I'm passionate about assisting people who have fallen through the cracks. I think oftentimes individuals in society, and we see it all over in St. Louis, there are individuals who can handle their day-to-day activities, but if they're charged with a crime, or if they have a landlord-tenant dispute or any sort of dispute with another party, they're not quite sure the avenue to take. And so the reason I really enjoy working with the Volunteer Lawyers Program is that it allows me to assist the Volunteer Lawyers Program with intake, and then they can assign cases to me and other lawyers throughout St. Louis, people who are available to work pro bono. And if it's a matter that that the Volunteer Lawyers Program can't assist the individual on, then I do my best to try to guide that individual on how they can resolve their problem. The way the St. Liborius program works, that's the program that I'm involved with. The bar plan is involved with that program, and the way it works is it's a food pantry operated by a local parish, and then they also have legal services once a month. And so what I do is I do the intake program, and I assist individuals in getting the application process for the Volunteer Lawyers Program, working their way through that process. And then from there, if they've got, as you said, the criminal matter, if they have a criminal matter which legal services does not handle, and it's something that perhaps the public defender system won't assist them with either because it's a warrant or a traffic violation, then at that point, they really don't know what to do. So based on the experience that I've had as a public defender, I try to guide them and tell them these are the avenues you can take, these are the organizations who may be able to assist you, and this is what you should be aware of. This is what may happen. These are the potential consequences out there. But often they're just scared and they're not sure what to do. I think so many people go to law school with the intention of giving back. They want to help people, but they get out of law school and they have a lot of student loan debt, and they start working jobs where they've got a lot going on and they're very busy and they're just not sure how they can make a difference. And they start to feel burned out and they start to feel like, well, why did I go to law school? So I'm hoping that my work with the ABA YLD, as well as with the Missouri Bar, will give me a platform to reach out to young lawyers and let them know the programs that are available. There's always a need for free legal services. So there may not be a lot of paying legal jobs right now, but there's always room for volunteer legal work. And so I'm hoping that this will give me an opportunity to connect with young lawyers and let them know how they can get involved.